Guys, ये तो sad हो गया guys. After 5 long days, it's now time to go back to reality. So we're checking out now. Our flight is in a few hours. We'll grab a meal and then go to the airport. For our last meal in Goa, we've come back to Tonsia. We will finish this meal and then just take a cab to the airport. Man, Tonsia during the day is too peaceful. They don't play any music also. So it's just your own breathing sound that you can hear.
Can you hear that?
My last watermelon juice in Goa, yaar. Watermelon juice does not feel the same in Bangalore because you have to pay 400 rupees for it.
Everyone who's always telling me that I'm always on my phone. Y'all don't scroll reels or what, bro?
What's your Instagram screen time?
You don't need to know.
Bhangra bros, one last Bhangra in Goa. This is a smaller one, right? This is a Richardo preparation, which is a Goan style, tangy. Some kingfish curry, white rice. Shefali is saying breakfast in Bangalore does not hit the same. Food is better here, but also the vibe, bro. The fact that you're on vacation, calories don't exist. All of that adds up to you having a better time. Check the Bhangra, bro. Check the Bhangra.
Guys, if you all are studying for board exam, eat a lot of fish. Apparently, if you eat fish, your remembering power becomes a little more.
My school had a Malayali topper, okay? I told my mom that she tops because she eats fish every day. And my mom said, तेरे को बादाम खिलाएंगे.
Yeah, even my mom gave me 2 badams every day for my entire life. Actually, I eat it even now before going to work. Don't know how much that is working though.
Bruv. Last fish curry in Goa. Last day of overeating, guys. I might as well enjoy. Pancake with ice cream. First pancake so good, I got another one. Let me overeat peacefully. Please don't judge. Let us both overeat peacefully.
I'm sure I wouldn't have increased even 100 grams.
You're saying you're the same 51, 52 kgs? I must have gained at least 3, 4. Not 3, 4. How much does it look like I gained, Bobbies? Looking at my face. 2 kgs maybe? 2 is nothing for me. One dump and 2 kgs will go. Cheers. Guys, gluttony word सुना है आपने? That is what I am going through right now. This is my third pancake. It's too good, bro. We've eaten such good pancakes, but still this is my favorite.
Really?
I like this more than Bon Petit. I like it more than Carawel as well.
So it's very homely.
It's time to leave, guys. It's time to go back to Bangalore. So I recently took the Goa series live on YouTube and we've been reading your comments lately. A lot of you guys think that Shefali is not liking my friends, she's jealous, or some of you went as far as saying that she's insecure. Now guys, we appreciate your concern, but hear it straight from Shefali's mouth.
Guys, I have nothing against them. In fact, we enjoyed the trip 101% completely. The three of us, including him, enjoyed it so much. Actually, I think us girls had more fun together, ganging up against him.
You know, Shefali and I were discussing how this trip was actually the best Goa trip we've had.
Yeah.
And in fact, we've been to Goa so many times now that we enjoy other people's company as well. Of course, the people also matter. It's not like we can go with anybody. Soumya and Gurleen happened to be great company. They were on the same wavelength as us and we had so much fun.
It was too much fun.
Right? And Soumya was so sweet. She went out of her way to send us a goodbye present as well. मैं आपको बताना भूल गया, but Soumya has left. She stayed here for 3 days and now she went back to Delhi. Delhi पहुंच के बोलती है कि मोहित, I have sent a gift for you through Swiggy Instamart. So let's go pick it up. Let's see what she sent for me. Hopefully it is something to eat. And if it is not something to eat, Soumya, then it cannot impress me as much. Soumya, what have you sent for us? Open करिए, please. क्या है भाई ये वैसलीन? अच्छा वैसलीन नहीं, ये तो अच्छा भाई जी, ये तो चॉकलेट है, ये तो आइसक्रीम है, ये तो जूस है, क्या है ये? सनस्क्रीन, वाह सनस्क्रीन भेजी है, मुझे लगा जूस है. किटकैट ब्रेक बनता है, किटकैट ब्रेक बनता है. कफ सिरप, पागल है क्या ये थोड़ी? अच्छा, आई थिंक each and every item that she sent, Diet Coke, tells a story. Guys, we understood the intentions behind the gifts. आइसक्रीम इसने इसलिए भेजा है because we went to Baskin Robbins. सनस्क्रीन इसने शेफाली के लिए भेजा है because शेफाली gets sunburnt quite easily. KitKat सौम्या ने इसलिए भेजा because she wanted a break from work. Bro, we've just landed in Bangalore and it is freezing cold out here. And on top of that, the second I got out of the plane, my nose started acting up again.
Yeah, like in 3 minutes.
Yeah, so clearly it's not just sinusitis related, it's probably an allergic reaction, maybe pollution which is making it worse. Wow, it took me 5 minutes in Bangalore. We got ourselves one chai, bro. Need something for this cold, it's freezing out here.
Yeah, it's quite cold and he's got a cold.
Yeah. Tell me one thing. Do you want to grab dinner?
Where do we go?
Airport only somewhere we'll eat.
Yeah, I don't mind.
Now where do we eat, bruv? Barley and Grapes Cafe has opened recently. What is Harley's?
It's a bakery, big house.
Like Magnolia?
Yeah.
Do you want to see what they have? We've decided that we're gonna go out of the airport for dinner, but we'll grab a small dessert at Harley's. It's called pre-dinner dessert, alright? What is it called? PDD, pre-dinner dessert. Bobbies, we're gonna try the Italian tiramisu Meadowwick. Meadowwick apparently is some Russian dessert. We've opted for this tiramisu Meadowwick. Meadowwick is a Russian dessert and it's the first time I'm trying something like this. Harley's looks very fancy, bro. Let's see if it tastes any good. Small though, right?
Very small.
How much is it?
I don't know.
Even I don't know yet. That's actually quite nice. Tana? We still don't know the price, but we got two more Meadowwicks, guys. This is an American almond Meadowwick, and this is a Harvey Special Meadowwick. It's made with digestive biscuit and caramel. Let's see which one's better. Try this Harvey Special. No, Harvey Special is not so special. Guess the price in the comments, Bobbies. How much do you think each is? How much are you guessing?
320 per.
320 per.
Too expensive. Airport, I'm considering.
150 per piece.
That's too cheap.
I wouldn't call it cheap per se,
Airport, bro.
but for airport I'd say it's aptly priced. Guys, मेरे को कुछ हटके plan आया है. You see that Taj in the distance? I'm thinking I'll take Chef for a nice dinner date there. Chef, you wanna come?
Why not?
Plus the Taj people will think that अरे ये तो luggage के साथ आ रहे हैं, ये तो रुकने आए होंगे, हम सिर्फ खाना खाने आ रहे हैं. I just checked the rates online. Do you want to stay at Taj?
Sure, I'm feeling too cold.
You're feeling too cold?
Yeah.
Well, Taj will make your wallet go cold because this is 35k per night. The cheapest room.
What the fuck?
Yeah,
Living in the airport is also so expensive.
exactly. Out of the city, you're staying 35k that too.
I want to live there now. I don't want to go home.
This is how we're going to Taj, bro. Isn't that crazy? This is how we're going.
Please, you have a jacket on.
Yeah, at least I have a jacket on. Brotherly broskis. We're going to dinner in a buggy now. But why do I feel like we're starting vacation number 2 in a hilly region now?
I wish.
Anna? In the buggy, going for dinner. Here we are at Soy and Sake Bobby's. Our table is getting ready and Shefali is doing her makeup. Not makeup, hair.
Who's in a bun this entire time?
ये हम हैं और ये हमारी dinner party हो रही है, bro.
I'm still in Goa.
You're still in Goa?
Yes.
Very nice. Even this dinner, the calories go into the Goa calories. And the bill also goes into the Goa bill.
Goa budget.
Yeah, this is the Goa budget, bro. That's why we're so chill right now. 5-star sushi, bro. Let's see if 5-star sushi feels any fresher. Because sushi mein, it's all about freshness.
That's true.
Super, super fresh. Second course is here. This is a Cantonese steamed rice roll. It's called Chewing Fun. Shefali and I have tried it earlier. We really like it, don't we? You already
really
tasted
like
it? Okay. You think I can down it all in one bite?
Yeah. It's good.
Wow.
That's a lot of chicken.
That is loaded with chicken. It's a lot better than what we had at Canton.
I agree.
Canton specializes in this, no? They are a Cantonese restaurant. Shefali and I are literally drinking this sauce. It's so good. And it's coming from two people who are not even hungry. We've had 5 days of amazing food, overeating every single day, and yet we're enjoying this. The chicken miso ramen, they put the broth in front of you. That is some shiitake mushroom. I see some grilled chicken, soft boiled egg, and some Naruto. Have you ever had shiitake mushroom, chef?
No, have you?
I have. Shiitake mushrooms are a little meaty in flavor. If you give a shiitake mushroom to a vegetarian, they'll think that you just fed them meat.
Oh yeah.
Tastes like meat, doesn't it?
I don't like how it tastes.
If you give that to a vegetarian, they'll puke.
Yeah, they'll hate it.
They'll hate it, bro.
It's like seafood.
Anna, All right.
Mellow on flavor.
Mellow on flavor. Okay. I mean, it's miso, right? Miso is very low in calories. This entire bowl must be about 400 calories tops.
That's nothing.
Okay. I've given it a good mix. What, bro? No flavor only.
That's what it's very, very low on flavor.
Is this how authentic miso tastes?
Probably.
जितना हम लोग गोवा में एक पूरे दिन में खर्च कर रहे थे उतना आज डिनर में लगा है बट इट वॉज वर्थ इट आई टेल यू व्हाई इट्स बिकॉज वी वांटेड अ क्विक डिनर एंड वी डिडंट हैव टाइम टू ट्रैवल टू दिस सिटी एंड एयरपोर्ट में देयर वर अ फ्यू रेस्टोरेंट्स बट नथिंग दैट वर एक्साइटिंग टू अस सो आई जस्ट टोल्ड शेफ चल यार तेरी वेकेशन की भी वेकेशन करा देता हूँ लेट्स एंड दिस विद अ गुड 5-star मील दैट्स इट फॉर दिस व्लॉग बॉबीज होप यू एंजॉयड दिस वेकेशन सीरीज आई विल सी यू सून इन द नेक्स्ट वन
See you. Bye bye.